Building a chunk loader in Minecraft is easier than you might think. All you need to build one are those materials. First off, build a nether portal in the chunk you want to keep loaded or a chunk next to it. Now go through the portal and make some space on both sides of the portal for this side of the chunk loader. Now go back through the portal and start building like this. You need the dispenser to face the powered rail. Make sure the hoppers point into the dispenser. The cactus has to be right behind the hopper. Make sure to have at least one hopper minecart in the dispenser, though 2 are better. Now use some block to make sure an upcoming minecart will drop into the hopper and not fall off the side. Place a hopper minecart in front of the dispenser and go through the portal once more. Remember on which side of the portal the minecart landed, since this is where you have to build. All you got to do is to build the same thing from the overworld in the nether as well. To start the chunk loader, simply place a minecart in front of the dispenser. And there you are, and both the nether and the chunk in the overworld are now permanently loaded. In order to stop the chunk loader, simply destroy the minecart. I would recommend you to build a cage around the chunk loader on both sides to prevent mobs from stopping the chunk loader by walking into the minecart. The chunks that are fully loaded is the chunk of the portal, as well as the 8 chunks right next to it. If you liked this tutorial, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.